Good evening, sir. Welcome to our store. Are you looking for anything in particular today, or are you just browsing?
Good evening. I am looking for something specific, actually. I feel a bit lost. There are so many options here.
That is what I am here for. I would be happy to help you. What are you looking for today?
I need to buy a new shirt. I have a friend's birthday party to go to this weekend, and I realized I have nothing nice to wear. All my old shirts look a bit boring and worn out.
A new shirt for a birthday party is a great reason to shop. We have a very large selection of men's shirts right over here in this section. Do you have a particular style or color in mind?
Not really. That is part of my problem. I'm not very good at choosing clothes. I usually just buy the same thing over and over again. I was hoping you could give me some advice.
Of course. I love helping customers find something that makes them feel great. Let's find you the perfect shirt for this party. To help me find the right shirt, could you tell me a little more about the party? Is it a formal event, or is it more of a casual get-together?
It is quite casual. It is at a nice bar in the city, so it is not a formal dinner party with a suit and tie. But it is not a t-shirt and jeans event either. I need something in the middle, something smart but also relaxed.
I understand completely. Smart casual is the perfect description. In that case, I would recommend a nice button-down shirt. You can wear it with the top button open for a relaxed look. We have them with long sleeves and short sleeves.
I think a long-sleeve shirt would be better. It feels a little more special. I can always roll up the sleeves if I get warm.
That is a great idea. It gives you more options. Now, what about color? What colors do you normally like to wear?
My wardrobe is full of blue, gray, and black shirts. I always choose safe colors because I am worried about picking something that does not suit me.
Blue and gray are wonderful, classic colors. But a party is a great opportunity to be a little more adventurous. A new color can make you feel more confident. Have you ever tried wearing green or a warm color like burgundy?
Green? I do not think I have ever owned a green shirt. I'm not sure if it would look good on me.
I think a nice dark forest green could look wonderful with your dark hair and brown eyes. Let's keep it in mind as an option. We can pick a safe blue one and a more adventurous one for you to try. Okay, now for the most important part, finding the right size. Do you know what size you usually wear in shirts? For example, are you a small, medium, or large?
I think I am usually a medium, but sometimes a medium is too tight and sometimes it is too loose. The sizes seem to be different in every store. It is very confusing.
I understand that completely. Sizing can be very inconsistent between different brands. A medium is a good place to start. In Austria and across Europe, we often use collar sizes for more formal shirts, measured in centimeters. But for a casual shirt like this, the small, medium, and large system is more common.
My last shirt was a medium, so let's try that. How should a shirt fit correctly?
That is an excellent question. The perfect fit is key. The seam on the shoulder of the shirt should sit right on the edge of your own shoulder. If it hangs down your arm, the shirt is too big. If it is up on your shoulder, it is too small.
The shoulder seam. That is a great tip.
What else should I look for?
The sleeves should end right at your wrist bone, and when you button the shirt, it should not pull or create lines across your chest. You should be able to sit down comfortably without the buttons looking like they are going to pop open.
These are all really useful tips. I have never thought about it in so much detail before. I usually just check if I can breathe.
Well, we want you to be able to breathe, but we also want you to look great. Based on our conversation, I have selected 3 different shirts for you to try in a size medium. I think these are all great options for the party.
Okay, great. Can you tell me about them?
Of course. The first one is your safe option. It is this beautiful, classic navy blue shirt. It is a very versatile color. It fits the smart casual style, and I am sure it will look great on you.
I do like that color. It is very familiar and comfortable for me. What is the second one?
The second one is a bit more modern and stylish. It is a light gray shirt, but it has a very subtle, small white floral pattern on it. It is not loud or flashy, but the pattern makes it a little more interesting and fashionable than a plain shirt.
A pattern. That is a brave choice for me. But it is very subtle, as you said. It does look very nice. And the third option? Is that the green one?
It is. I chose this beautiful, deep forest green. It is a solid color, so it is not as bold as the pattern, but the color itself is very rich and elegant. I have a feeling this one might surprise you. It is a wonderful color for this time of year.
I am still a little scared of the green one, but I promise I will try it on with an open mind. Thank you for picking these out for me.
These all feel very nice to the touch. What are they made of? I have some shirts that are very stiff and uncomfortable. I want something that feels soft.
That is a very important point. Comfort is just as important as style. All 3 of these shirts are made from 100% high-quality cotton.
Oh, cotton is good. I know it is a natural material.
Yes, it is. Cotton is an excellent choice for a shirt because it is very soft and breathable. A breathable fabric allows air to circulate, so you will not feel too hot or sweaty, even if you are dancing at the party.
Breathable is definitely good. I like that. What about the patterned shirt? Is it also cotton? It feels a little different.
Good observation. That one is a cotton and linen blend. Linen is another natural fiber that is very popular in the summer. It is very lightweight and strong, and it gives the fabric a lovely, slightly textured look.
It does feel very light. That would be comfortable. And how do I take care of these shirts? Can I just put them in the washing machine?
You can. If you look inside, you can see the care label with the washing instructions. These all say they can be machine washed with similar colors. I would recommend using a cool temperature, around 30 degrees Celsius.
And can I put them in the tumble dryer? I'm a bit lazy with laundry.
The label on these recommends that you hang them to dry. A hot tumble dryer can sometimes cause cotton to shrink a little. If you hang them up straight from the washing machine, they will also have fewer wrinkles, so they will be easier to iron. The fitting rooms are just over here on the left. You can go in and try on the first shirt, the navy blue one. Let me know what you think.
Okay, I will be right back. Okay, I have the blue shirt on. what is the verdict?
Let me have a look. The color is very nice on you, as we expected. It is a classic and smart look. Can you turn around for me?
Of course. How is the fit? I checked the shoulder seams, and they seem to be in the right place.
Yes, the shoulders are perfect. The fit across your chest and back is also very good. It is not too tight and not too loose. Can you lift your arms?
Like this? It feels comfortable. The shirt does not pull too much.
That is good. Now, let's look at the sleeves. The sleeve length is also perfect, right at your wrist. And the overall length of the shirt is good too. It is not too long, so you can wear it untucked for that casual look.
So it is a good fit. I like it. It feels safe and familiar.
It is a very good, safe choice. It fits you perfectly, and it is a great shirt. Now, let's try the next one so we have something to compare it to.
Okay, I am back. Here is the second option, the gray pattern shirt. This one feels very different.
It does look very different. It is much more of a fashion statement. The fit is just as good as the blue one. The modern, slim fit suits you very well.
Thank you. I like it, but I am not sure if it is really me. It is a beautiful shirt, but maybe it is a little too stylish for me. I might feel a bit self-conscious in it.
I completely understand. The most important thing is that you feel comfortable and confident. If you are worried about it, you will not enjoy the party. Let's try the final option, the green one.
Okay, I am ready to face the green shirt. One moment. All right, what do you think? Be honest.
Whoa! I have to be honest. I thought it would look good, but it looks absolutely fantastic.
Really? I just looked in the mirror and I was so surprised. I actually really like it.
The color is perfect for you. It really complements your skin tone and makes your brown eyes stand out. It is unique and sophisticated without being too loud. You look great.
Thank you. I feel great in it. It feels stylish, but it also feels comfortable and like my own personality. I cannot believe I was so scared of a color. You were right. This one is a surprise.
I have made my decision. I am going to be brave and buy the green shirt. I love it.
That is a wonderful choice. I think you will get a lot of compliments at the party. You look very confident and happy in it.
I feel it. Now that I have my new shirt, I have another problem. I am not sure what trousers to wear with it. I was just going to wear my usual blue jeans.
Blue jeans would be okay for a very casual look, but for a smart casual party, we could find something even better to go with that beautiful green.
Really? Like what? I am not a big fan of formal trousers.
I would not suggest formal trousers, but what about a nice pair of chinos? They are made of cotton, just like jeans, but they have a smarter, cleaner look. They are very comfortable.
Chinos. I have heard of them. What color would you suggest to go with this green shirt?
I think a pair of beige or sand-colored chinos would look fantastic. The light, neutral color of the trousers would really make the deep green of the shirt stand out. It is a very stylish and classic combination.
Green and beige. I can picture that. It sounds very good. Could you help me find a pair to try on?
Of course, I know exactly the pair. Let's check your size.
The chinos are a perfect fit. I will take them as well. The green shirt and the beige chinos. This is a whole new look for me. I am ready to go to the cash desk now.
Wonderful. I can help you right here. So, that is one long-sleeved cotton shirt in forest green and one pair of beige cotton chinos.
That is correct. Thank you again for all your help. I would never have chosen these myself, but I am so happy with them.
It was my absolute pleasure. It is the best part of my job. Now, before I ring you up, are you a member of our store loyalty program?
No, I am not. I do not shop for clothes very often.
I understand. Well, with our program, you collect points on every purchase, and those points turn into discount vouchers. You also get access to special sales and a small surprise on your birthday. It is completely free to join if you're interested.
Ooh, that sounds very good. Free to join? Yes, please. I will sign up.
Great! I just need your name and email address. Okay, you are all signed up. Your total for the shirt and chinos today comes to 118 euros. How would you like to pay?
I will pay with my credit card, please.
Okay, you can just tap your card right here on the machine. Perfect. The payment has gone through. Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
Let me just fold your new clothes nicely for you and put them in a bag. I will make sure to put the receipt in the bag as well, just in case you need it.
That is great, thank you. You have been so incredibly helpful today. I came in feeling so lost and uninspired, and now I am leaving with a complete outfit that I really love.
I am so happy to hear that. You made some excellent choices. The most important thing is that you feel confident and ready for your party.
I really do. I am actually excited to get dressed up for it now.
That is wonderful. Well, thank you very much for shopping with us today. I hope you have a fantastic time at the birthday party this weekend.
I'm sure I will. Thank you again for everything. Have a great evening.
You too. Goodbye.